NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, and I have proof of everything, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and it's all on my YouTube channel, so you can really not fake this. You can check it out. Then ultimately, my most recent prediction was at 1 point. Let me show you yesterday's. Right, so guess what I was expecting 26th of May, man. Like, there you go. Right, 26th of May was Monday when the market was like closed, and guess what happened? Well, exactly that. And all I'm here to tell you is that it was a beautiful call out. It was a beautiful plus 4 hour, another one. And with that in mind, like, obviously it's not only here. I have so many previous receipts with NVTS even in my Discord. And all I'm here to tell you is that I'm still expecting this to continue and, you know, do its thing. Although I'm not just going to randomly start buying or whatever, right? Like other people do. Ideally, I want to see it pull down and then give me some sort of a shift and a double break. And if that does happen, then yeah, great. You know, well, great. Then and only then I'm going to continue to buy. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next